Hello guys, it's Tessy. Back to my YouTube channel, all things Tessye. If today is your first time coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you're welcome. So today's video is about eyeshadow or full face makeup. Okay, I don't know what to name this video, but I will find a name for it later on. Okay, so it's been long I did some eyeshadow, so I decided to do something new with my eyes because I upgraded. Okay, if you watch my last video about eyeshadow, you know what I'm about to show you is an upgrade. Okay, so let me show you something here. All right, I did some upgrading. So I got the Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette. Okay, it's like this. So if you've watched my last video about eyeshadow tutorial, you know this is an upgrade. Got two of these. The small one. This one is this one is just the normal one, regular, okay, and it had some beautiful colors. If you want to see how I got all these looks together, keep on watching, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a like, and also leave a comment down below in the comment section. Let's connect on the comment section. Okay, and you are permitted to share this video, okay? Share with your friends, share with your neighbors, share with everybody. And please follow me on Instagram. I will pop my Instagram handle here so that you can follow me. Alright guys, so let's get the video starting. I did my brows off camera already, so what I'm going to do now is to prime my lid with Fenty concealer. Okay,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away,
to fade away.